Hi, welcome to SS Bhushan's channel. I am SS Bhushan. So far we have learned 27 chapters on parts of speech. Please watch those videos without fail. The more you encourage me, the more number of videos will be released by this SS Bhushan. Today we shall learn grammar chapter 28. In this grammar chapter 28, we shall learn about interjection. What is meant by an interjection? Any sudden expression is called interjection. That sudden expression may be grief, that sudden expression may be sorrow, joy, wonder, or appreciation. The word or the expression, we shouldn't say actually we shouldn't say it as a word. The expression which is used to express that exclamation or that interjection is called interjection, and it is not at all related with the other words in a sentence. Please bear that in mind. The expression is not related with the other words in a sentence. For example, hi, welcome to SS Bhushan's channel. Just now I have expressed, hi, welcome to SS Bhushan's channel. So this is one kind of joyous expression. Okay. So this hi is said to be exclamation. Okay. Or interject remark. In the same manner, hello, how are you? So this is also asking about the niceties of the other person. So this one is called interjection or exclamation. Now, oh, what a marvelous feat. Something, some extraordinary performance by an elephant, horse, or by a human being in a circus. Then we use this one. So what a marvelous feat. Okay. Then we say, oh, it depends upon the expression only. Next one, hey, have they left the room? Have they vacated the room? So that expression is totally different. Next one, oh, what an excellent shot. For example, I am Kohli, and just after receiving a nice ball, I made a six, and my fans admired me saying, oh, what an excellent shot. So that oh is called an expression of joy or wonder. Next, whoosh, don't make noise. This whoosh is called here an expression which implies or tells the other persons to be silent, to maintain silence. In the same manner, silence please. This one directly we have written silence please. The doctor is inside. The minister is inside. The MLA is inside. So please keep silence. And even there also we can put an exclamatory mark. Hooray, we have won the match. For example, it is a 2020 match. Our team is just, our team scored some 150 runs, and the team which came afterwards is about to score or cross this 150 runs. So, when it is nearly some 148, when all of us are eagerly waiting, the batsman struck a lovely 6 or 4. Then we say, hooray, we have won the match. Actually, we need only 150. So when the batsman struck a 4 or 6, we say, hooray, we have won the match. That expression. Next, coming to this one, afterwards I will tell you, well done, my boy. One of my students asked, sir, for example, if a sentence like this is given, well done, my boy. In this, there is no whoosh or oh, ha, etc. not there. So, if it is written like this, and if the exclamatory mark is put here, which one should we consider as interjectory mark? Then, what I say is that the entire sentence, well done, my boy, the entire phrase must be taken into consideration as an exclamatory sentence. For example, Anushka gave me a lovely hug. So a jealousy fellow said that, what a marvelous beauty. What a marvelous beauty. So that what a marvelous beauty, at the end of that beauty only, at the end of that beauty, this exclamatory mark is put. The entire expression, what a marvelous beauty, is said to be an exclamatory sentence or exclamatory expression. So we can't say that this itself is only the exclamatory mark. Actually, this is called the exclamatory mark. In the same manner here also, well done, my boy, the entire phrase is said to be, exclamatory phrase. Okay, hope you understood. Now, oh my God, how can he do that? Oh my God, how can he do that? For example, he performed a surgery without having good knowledge or sound knowledge in that surgery. So he says that, oh my God, how can he do that operation? Bravo, Bhushan killed the tiger. A ferocious tiger attacked me and I killed the tiger with one hand, single hand. So in those circumstances, we say it is an appreciation. Bravo, Bhushan killed the tiger. In the same manner, sometimes we observe when we don't have proper internet connection, then these so-called electronic gadgets like laptops or mobiles, they show that, oops, oops, something went wrong. So here, this is called an expression, exclamatory expression of some frustration or some irritation or anger. Okay? And in the same manner, when we say that a person is dead, then we say, alas, Ramoji is dead. We shouldn't say, alas, Ramoji is dead. We have to say, we have to keep our face in such a manner that we are in a dejected mood or distressed mood. Even though he is an enemy, we have to treat him as a friend at the time of his death. Alas, he is dead. Poor man, he is dead. We have to say like that. So, this alas is said to be an expression of exclamation. Okay? So, in the same manner, whatsoever may be other expressions, good gracious, sometimes we say, good gracious, he is alive. We say that. So, whatsoever may be the expression, anyone that is expressed suddenly is called an interjection. Okay? So, once again, I request all of my viewers to subscribe SS Bhushan channel and also share the links of SS Bhushan to all of your WhatsApp contacts. And also, whatever you would like to ask, please express your comments in the comment box. Thank you.